Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 action cameras of 2025. And yes, we've actually tested each one in real-world conditions. From underwater shoots to high-speed biking trails, we push these cams to their limits so you don't have to. Let's get into it. We kicked things off with the GoPro HERO13 Black, and wow, this thing is a beast. Shooting in 5.3K at 60 frames per second with crisp 27 megapixel photos, it's built for creators who want cinematic quality in a rugged, pocket-sized body. The new HB series lens compatibility gave us ultra-wide and macro options that genuinely elevated our footage. Stabilization, flawless. Even during trail runs and mountain biking, it held steady like a gimbal. Battery life's been improved, and overheating issues from past models are finally under control. If you're into sports, travel vlogging, or just want the best all-rounder, this is your go-to. Check the description below for the best price and full specs. We've linked everything you need to get started. Next up, the Insta360 X5. This one's for the storytellers, the adventurers, and anyone who wants to bend reality a little. We tested its 8K 360-degree video in low light, and it blew us away. Clean, detailed, and immersive. The invisible selfie stick effect is still magic, and the new triple AI chip design makes editing a breeze. What really stood out was the replaceable lens system. We swapped them mid-hike without missing a beat. Plus, the built-in wind guard kept our audio clean even in gusty conditions. If you're into immersive content or want to stand out on social media, this is your weapon. Hit the description for product links and exclusive deals. We've got the best bundles listed down there. DJI came in hot with the Osmo Action 5 Pro, and it's easily one of the smartest cams we've tested. The 1 over 1.3-inch sensor delivers stunning dynamic range, and the 4K at 120 frames per second slow-mo is buttery smooth. We used it for skateboarding and parkour shoots, and the subject tracking locked onto movement like a hawk. Dual OLED touchscreens made framing and playback super intuitive, and the waterproofing held up during a full day of kayaking. It's compact, intelligent, and perfect for vloggers who want pro-grade footage without the bulk. Check the description for our favorite accessories and the best price we found online. It's a killer combo. Now let's talk about the GoPro MAX, a hybrid that gives you both 360-degree and traditional shooting modes. We used it for a travel vlog in the hills and got 5.6K spherical video that looks straight out of a VR experience. The touchscreen interface is super intuitive, and the 1080p live streaming worked flawlessly during a remote Q&A session. Stabilization is top tier, and the 16.6 megapixel 360 photos are perfect for social media. If you want flexibility without switching cameras, the Max is your multi-tool. Links are in the description. Grab it while the deals last and see how it fits your creative workflow. Last but not least, the AKASO V50 Elite surprised us big time. For a budget-friendly cam, it packs a punch with 4K at 60 frames per second, voice control, and 8x zoom. We tested it underwater. Yes, it's waterproof up to 131 feet, and the footage was shockingly good for the price. The included 128GB micro SDXC card and full accessories kit make it a plug-and-play option for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or want a backup cam for risky shoots, this one delivers serious value. Don't sleep on this deal. Check the description for the full bundle and best pricing we found online. That's our roundup of the best action cameras of 2025, each tested, each proven. Whether you're a pro creator or just capturing weekend adventures, there's something here for you. Smash that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more hands-on tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.